guys and welcome to Sandwich Life. This is Falcony. Okay, so what are the things which we can take for building our immune power? That is tulsi, haldi, ashwagandha, mulethi, brahmi, amla. Amla is specifically because of vitamin C और कोरोना वायरस के टाइम पे हमें हमारे हेल्थ केयर प्रोफेशनल्स दे आर लाइक टेलिंग अस एवरी डे टू कंज्यूम विटामिन सी. कितनी ज़्यादा मार्केट में चीज़ें अवेलेबल है एंड देयर इज़ अ सर्टेन डोज ऑफ विटामिन सी वी शुड टेक एवरी डे. सो ये सब चीज़ें ज़्यादा मुश्किल नहीं है. सुन के लगता है ना सब कुछ अलग अलग कैसे करके लेंगे, तो बस उसी का एक बहुत ही झटपट इलाज मैं आपको देने वाली हूँ. तो आई गॉट माई हैंड्स ऑन सम अमेजिंग स्टफ. दैट इज दिस इज आदार. Adar ka Ayur Prash. Ayur Prash is basically what you will ask me. Now I will tell you that Ayur Prash is Chyawanprash in capsule. हम सब में से कई लोग ऐसे होंगे जिनको च्यवनप्राश खाने में ना थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम होती है. मुझे तो भैया बहुत ज़्यादा होती है. च्यवनप्राश लेती हूँ और फिर वो नीचे जाने में थोड़ा टाइम लग जाता है. सो विच वॉट द थिंग विच इज़ बेस्ट फॉर मी इज़ आयुर के कैप्सूल्स. यू हैव टू जस्ट ओपन द बॉटल लाइक दिस. इट्स बीन टाइटली पैक्ड सो दैट कोई भी तरह का प्रॉब्लम ना हो उसको निकालने में. एंड देन यू हैव टू टेक 2 कैप्सूल्स. These are the 2 capsules, and these capsules you have to consume daily with either with milk or with water. Adar ka Ayur Prash is basically Chyawanprash in form of tablets, and you will get 31 active ingredients, and those are amla, giloy, tulsi, brahmi, jatamasi, long, ashwagandha, dashmul, mulethi, tejpatta, cinnamon, neem, vasaka, satwari, kachur, gokhru, choti, harad, जीवंती, curry leaves, salt, cardamom, nag kesar, bhumi amla, and much more. So these all ingredients are there which is actually needed by our body, and these all are there in the nature. So बिल्कुल vegan product है. सारी चीज़ें nature से derived की हुई है. Anybody can use it who is an adult, and what better than this that you are getting Chyawanprash in form of tablets, guys. I mean, it is so easy to consume. Just check out the products. Isn't it amazing? Amla is a rich source of vitamin C. Vitamin C is the prime source which we should consume right now to fight against COVID, to build our immune system much more stronger. But I will suggest you one thing कि अगर आपको किसी भी तरह की health issues है or you are consuming any kind of a medicine, please make sure to consult your healthcare professional before consuming this tablet. Otherwise, this is absolutely vegan tablet, completely made with natural herbs. Anybody who is an adult can use it. Adult means 18 plus above, not for kids. Adar capsules is a complete package for 1 month. There are 60 capsules provided in this box. It is of 600 rupees, so it means that you can use it completely for 1 month, and it's a very healthy lifestyle choice which is going to develop your immunity, and it is definitely going to make your body fight against any kind of virus in the air. There are many more products which are available from Adar Wellness, which includes the Adar Immunity Capsule, plus one more thing which I already bought, that is the Immunity Pro Energy Boost. This is the bottle. If you want, I can give you a review for this. You can let me know in the comment section below. Right now I started using this, so I thought after using for few days only I will give you the review. That's why the review of Adar Chyawanprash, which is in form of capsules, I can just mention it again and again. I feel so happy that Chyawanprash is in form of capsule. It's so easy to consume now for me. So this Adar box I have already tested, and that's why I'm giving the review for this one. So I hope you liked the video today. The best part about this is that all the stuffs which are mentioned by the healthcare professionals like amla, tulsi, giloy, and everything, which should be consumed by a human body on a daily basis, which is our requirement to fight against any kind of virus in the environment. All that is available in this package. And by taking 2 capsules daily, your body is actually consuming something very healthy, completely vegan, completely derived from the nature. So what is best than this? If you like this product, you can buy this and the link is given below in the description box. You can check that link. You can check more products from the Aadhar Wellness. There are much more in it apart from this, and definitely you can give it a try. It is after all Chyawanprash in form of capsules. This video to as much people as you can, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for much more entertaining and informative videos. See you next week. Till then, take care, stay healthy, bye.